Benchmark video. Benchmark video time. Fourth graders, you get to pick your first question. So what shall it be? Hopefully something that we have not done yet. Adner.
41.
41?
21.
21. Turn to page 17. There you'll find 21. And yes, this is one we haven't done yet. And it's actually not so bad. Read along with me on your benchmark test. Death Valley National Park covers 3,367,627 acres. That is humongous. What is this number rounded to the nearest 10? All right, step one. Which digit represents the tens place?
2.
A couple of you are right that I've heard so far. 2. That is tens place. When you round, where do you look? On the number, to the left of the number, to the right of the number? Which one? Oh, no wonder some of us are having a hard time. We don't even know where to look. That's step 2. Adriana? What's that? No, you actually look to the right. Now you know. Underline what place they're talking about. Look to the right. Not hard. Then you just see bigger than 5 or bigger or 4 or lower?
Bigger than 5.
Bigger than 5, it's a 7. So we're going to round up. If it wasn't, we'd stay still, but we're going to round up. So the new number, nothing changes on the right of the digit. But since this digit is being rounded up, the 2 becomes a 3. And the number that helped us, and every number past it, turns into a, Maria? 0. Which would translate to letter C is correct. Right. So there's a quick reminder on rounding. Remember, underline the digit you're talking about, look to the right, round up or stay still, and then rewrite the number in its new rounded form. 5th graders, your turn. Oh wait, I don't want that. That's a lesson later. I'll just erase this. There you go. Yay.
5th grade.
5th graders, question. Only 4 people have an idea. I asked you all to get benchmarks out. Either all of you got 100% of this test, or only 4 of you actually follow directions. Melanie.
57.
57 she wants to look at. Oh my goodness, this guy's a beast. I'm going to need to borrow this for a second for sure. What is the surface area of this figure? Well, you've got a unfolded shape, and I'll draw an ugly version of it up here. I apologize. Down that far. Little box there. Little box there.
Isn't that a rectangular prism?
Hold on. Let me just draw the darn thing. Alright. Not as perfect as the one on the paper, but close enough. Then they give us measurements. Alright. Woo! Surface area would be the area of all of this. All of it. And the only way to figure that out is one piece at a time, and then we add it all together at the end. How much do you think the area of a little square is? 14. That would be perimeter. That would be half the perimeter.
49.
You're thinking of the wrong thing for area. Area, you need multiplication. 49. So that's one little square. This little square is just the same, so that's also cool. We can figure out a rectangle. You know how?
How?
It might not say what that is right there, but maybe you can tell by looking around in other places. What is this piece right here? This piece is 20, and that's helpful. But what is this piece right here? We need that. It's also 7. So, what's the multiplication we have to do? 7 times 20.
140.
140. You can do that fast in your head too. If you know what 7 times 2 is. 7 times 2 is 14.
Plus 0.
But then there's a 0 right there, so there's a 0 right there.
Oh, got it.
If one piece is 140, then you're pretty safe assuming that this piece is. I know the way I drew it, it doesn't look
Yeah.
perfect, but they're supposed to be all the same size. Sorry about that. But they want the area of the whole thing. So,
Add it up.
we got to add the 140s up together, no problem. If you add up the 140s, or take a
100
shortcut
times 4.
and do 140 times 4, you'll get 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 4, 16, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5.
560.
560.
Then
We still have a couple 49s to add, though. Don't forget the 49s. So let me add one 49 real quick.
6, 9.
And let me add one more 49 real quick. 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Is there a 658 somewhere on there?
D.
That would be letter what, Melanie?
D.
Letter D. Now that problem might take longer than a couple other problems, but that's just the way it goes. Some are short on this test, only take you 10 seconds. Some are long, they might take you a minute or more. This guy is doable. All you gotta do is know how to get area. It's just a big area problem.
Yeah.
Piece by piece by piece. When you add it all up, there are chances for you to mess it up. If you forget to carry, if you forget to
You can add up.
add a piece. I did? Where did I forget to carry?
Oh, never mind.
I remember. Maybe I just didn't say it so loud. But, yeah. Gotta follow each step if you want the point at the end. Alright, that's all the time we have for our videos. Why don't you guys say bye?